Folks, ever wanted to turn an idea into a fully functional, revenue-ready business, not just a prototype? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're diving into Atoms, your next-gen vibe business team. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a full multi-agent team in your browser, taking your idea from research to launch, with backend, payments, and deployment handled automatically. We'll explore how to build a practical prompt generator, a tool that creates optimized instructions for different platforms. Enter a topic, and it gives you ready-to-use professional prompts. Then we'll see how race mode lets AI agents work in parallel, delivering multiple high-quality outputs so you can pick the best one. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Guys, Atoms Dev's race mode is a total game changer for app development. Basically, it lets us create multiple high-quality versions of your project at the same time. Instead of just giving you one result, race mode runs several AI agents all at once. Each one comes up with its own version, and all you have to do is pick the best one. Friends, with DeepSeek 3.2, you get top-quality results on the first try at just 3% of the cost of GPT-5. So basically, you're getting maximum performance for way less. That makes a big difference when you're testing or scaling projects. You can choose the creativity level, balanced or creative. I am going with balanced, which works perfectly for my task. Of course, you can pick other models too, but for what I need, this one is more than enough. It keeps the output useful without overcomplicating things. Right now, I am building a web app that takes a topic and generates creative ideas. Think of it as an AI tool that turns concepts into concept cards. Alright mates, let's see how race mode handles multiple versions of this tool. I went ahead and activated it. Then I gave it a detailed command with all the outputs I need and listed my requirements and preferences. Then I hit start, and right away 4 projects kicked off at the same time. They're running on Qwen 3 Coder Plus, DeepSeek 3.2, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and GPT-5. The cool part is that race mode shows progress in real time. You can see how long it's been running and what's done so far. You can also check what's still in progress and which integrations are connected. All we have to do now is wait for the results. You can watch 2 AI systems race, or even all 4 at once, seeing them actively working on the project. Guys, you can also watch the code being written from each agent's perspective and switch between App Viewer, Planner, Terminal, or Atoms backend. Now we just wait for the final outcome. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And here's the result, friends. You can see the task is finished. It took 12 minutes and 58 seconds, and all 4 versions are ready. DeepSeek is automatically marked as the best option by the system. That said, you can still choose any version you like and confirm it yourself. But before deciding, let's test them. I can open each generation directly in the app. And folks, let's start with DeepSeek. It asks me to log in, which works smoothly. Now let's take a look at what it can do. Right away you'll notice theme presets. I can pick one, generate ideas, and it immediately starts suggesting concepts like this. I can read through each idea and save the ones I like, and they'll appear in your ideas. I can also switch to a different topic, for example, tools for small businesses, and it instantly comes up with fresh solutions for that as well. Everything feels fast and intuitive. You can run multiple generations like this. And honestly, I really like how this one works. Guys, next up is GPT-5. When I open it, I immediately see pre-tested cards. I use the same topic, select the number of options, and hit Generate. Unfortunately, this one fails to produce, and the design also feels pretty strict, so this option doesn't really work for me. Now let's check Qwen 3 Coder Plus. I enter a topic and it generates outputs, guys. But as you can see, the experience is very basic. I can make small edits, but there's no way to save them, which is a limitation. Finally, we have Claude Sonnet 4.5. Right away, the design feels much more innovative. I enter a topic, log in so it can save my history, and that's it. Our 6 ideas were created successfully. I can browse through them and make edits if I want. Folks, for content creators, a system like this is incredibly useful. Out of all 4 options, both Atoms Dev and the system itself recommend DeepSeek, and I agree. It's my favorite as well. It's also the most cost-efficient to run. So I tap "I'm loving this one" and confirm my choice. Now it starts fully building this version, and I can follow everything in real time, in the editor, browser, or through the app viewer. It's running right now, and I can interact with the system the whole time. Alright friends, that's a wrap. Atoms isn't just a platform, it's a full-vibe business team. It lets you experiment, compare outputs, and pick the best solution. At the same time, it handles everything from market research and product design to backend generation, SEO, and live revenue. Whether you're generating prompts, building tools, or launching full-stack applications, Race Mode speeds up your workflow and ensures high-quality results. The system is perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, and developers who want to ship a fully operational business in hours, not months. Plus, seeing multiple approaches side by side gives you insights you wouldn't get working with just one version. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.